In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change accent color on ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT in your web browser and make sure you're on the main homepage. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings and adjusting how the interface looks. If you're already signed in, you should be able to see the main ChatGPT layout right away. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the lower left side of the screen. This area is where ChatGPT keeps your account and app options, so if you ever need to personalize the platform, that's usually the place to begin. From there, click on your profile. When you select your profile icon or account area, a menu will open with additional options related to your account and preferences. This is where you can access the settings needed to make visual changes to the interface. Next, click on Settings. This will open the Settings panel, where ChatGPT organizes different customization and account options into sections. If you're following along carefully, you should now be inside the main settings window. In the Settings panel, stay on the General section. This section contains the standard appearance and usability options for your ChatGPT experience. It's the right place to look when you want to adjust something simple but noticeable like the accent color. Now look for the option labeled Accent Color. This setting controls the highlight color used in parts of the ChatGPT interface. Changing it can give the app a slightly different feel and help you personalize the look to match your style or visual preference. Once you find accent color, go ahead and select a color from the available options. You can choose whichever one you like best. If you use ChatGPT often, picking a color that feels comfortable and easy on the eyes can make the experience a little more enjoyable over time. As soon as you select a color, ChatGPT will show the preview instantly. That means you don't need to save first just to see how it looks. The interface updates right away, so you can quickly compare options and decide which one you prefer. If the first color doesn't feel right, you can simply try another one until you find the best match. The instant preview makes this process very easy and lets you customize the appearance without any guesswork. And that's it! You've successfully changed the accent color on ChatGPT. It's a small adjustment, but it's a nice way to make the interface feel more personal and visually appealing.